Hello and welcome back. It has been 8 days since we opened our euro-dollar sell order, and today we're going to look at the result. So right away, let's look at the bottom left corner of our MetaTrader 4 terminal. In the trade tab, we can see that our current account balance is $556.19. And that's great news. That means that our sell order was closed at a profit and we earned $56 on that trade. So I'll just quickly open the account history tab, and here we can see that our order is up at the top here, and the take profit is highlighted in green, meaning that the order was closed at take profit, and here you can see the profit is specified. So after subtracting swap, it's $56.19. So congrats on that. It's a really amazing feeling when you see a profitable order on your real Forex trading account. So let's look at how everything progressed. As you can see here, I've marked the time when we entered the trade with a vertical red line, and that was on the 25th of November 2014 at around 12 p.m. server time, and we entered a sell order. So what happened after that, I'll just zoom in a little bit. Our stop loss was set over there, our take profit was set here. So before we continue, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this order, I'll drag it onto the chart, and you'll see what will happen. So as you can see, the order got drawn on the chart, so you can always do that. And if you want to see multiple orders, then you just hold shift and you drag any order onto the chart, and you'll see all the orders for that currency pair. But this is a handy trick to help you analyze orders. So as you can see, the order was opened there, then the price went back up towards the top of the channel, and it exactly happened to hit the top part of the channel where the channel border crossed the very strong resistance line of 1.25000, meaning that, as we discussed, there was a lot of pressure from traders to drive the price down. So as you can see, the price, I'll just zoom in a bit more, the price did go over the channel border a bit, but it went right back in without hitting our stop loss, and that's a good thing that we set our stop loss a bit away from the border of the channel, giving it this leeway, giving the price this leeway. Then the price went back down, and then it tried to test this level again, but it was a very strong psychological level. Plus, we're in an overall downward trend on the daily chart, so the price was driven down, and it actually went right down to the middle of the middle line of the channel. So if you extend this line, you'll see that that's exactly where the price bounced back off. So it was also a good thing that we've set quite a conservative stop loss, take profit, rather than setting at the very bottom line of the channel. We set it around the middle of the channel, and that's exactly where the order closed. As you can see, as the order closed, the price went back up, and that's like a very ideal situation, meaning that you took most of the momentum of the market that you could. So you couldn't place the take profit any lower than that, and that's just very precise take profit placing. So that's something you should aim for in your trades, to make the most out of the movements that you're forecasting on the market. So that's how it all played out, and that was our very first euro-dollar trade. Once again, congratulations on that, and look forward to seeing you on the next tutorials where we'll conduct more trades on this Forex real account. And until then, happy trading.